Welcome to our program Rotational Spectra Part 2. Key points. The spectra result from transition between rotational energy level of gaseous molecules or the absorption of microwave radiation. 2. The microwave spectra occurs in the spectral range from 1 to 100 cm/-1. 3. The energy of the rotating molecule equal to half I omega square, and omega is the angular velocity and I is the moment of inertia. The quantized rotational energy levels of a rotating diatomic molecule are given by Ej is equal to half I omega square, and which will be equal to L square by 2I, where I is the total angular momentum. We can express the rotational energy by two ways, one in terms of joules and another in terms of cm/-1. The equation 5 Ej equal to h square by 8 pi square I into j plus 1, it is the energy in joules. If we convert it into the energy in cm/-1, the nu bar equal to h by 8 pi square Ic j into j plus 1 into in cm/-1. Therefore, the rotational constant B will be equal to h by 8 pi square Ic in cm/-1. For transition takes place from j equal to 0 to j equal to 1, the rotational frequency is given by nu bar 0 to 1, which will be equal to 2b cm/-1. If we consider the transition between 1 to 2, the rotational frequency is equal to 4b cm/-1. And for the transition 2 to 3, the rotational frequency is 6b cm/-1. For 3 to 4, the frequency is 8b cm/-1. The rotational spectrum of a rigid diatomic molecule consists of lines at 2b, 4b, 6b, 8b, etc. And these lines are equally spaced by an amount of 2b cm/-1, and this is called the frequency of separation. Let us consider the different type of molecules. Once again, the molecule is linear, the moment of inertia Ia equal to 0 and Ib is equal to Ic. It possesses permanent dipole moment. Example: CO, OCS, HCl, CH triple bond CH, and these molecules are active. For polylate symmetric top molecule, Ia less than Ib, which is equal to Ic. Example: CH3Cl, CHCl3, SFICl, and these molecules possess permanent dipole moment, and these molecules are active. For obelate symmetric top molecule, Ia is equal to Ib less than Ic. Ammonia, BF3, C6H6, and these molecules possess permanent dipole moment, and the molecules are microwave active. For asymmetric top molecule, Ia less than Ib less than Ic, or Ia is not equal to Ib is not equal to Ic, and this type of molecules shows three rotational constant. Example: H2O, CH3OH, H2O2, and these molecules are microwave. We are going to discuss about the 25 objective questions here. The first question, the very important point is, you have to keep the key points in your mind, then only you can answer correctly to the objective questions. Question number 1. The moment of inertia of diatomic molecule is, the fundamental equation I equal to mu r square. Therefore, the option A, mu r square, is correct. In question number 2, an example of symmetric top molecule among the following. The correct answer B, CHCl3. 3. The asymmetric molecule is NH3, CHCl3, CH2, DCO. The correct answer is H2O. Option C is correct. Question number 4. Which among the following is microwave inactive? Here the option A NO, option B HCl, option D CO, and these molecules possess permanent dipole moment and these are microwave active. But in the option C N2 do not possess any permanent dipole moment, therefore it is microwave inactive. Option C is correct. The rotational spectrum of HI is found to consist of series of lines with a separation of 12.8 cm per minus 1. The moment of inertia for it is, here you have to use the formula B equal to h by 8 pi square IC. From that I will be equal to h by 8 pi square BC. You substitute the value of B, H, C in the equation, you will get the value of I. The correct answer is 4.36 into 10 to the power minus 40 gram centimeter square, and the explanation is also given in the next slide. The rotational constant is given B equal to h by 8 pi square IC. Here I is the moment of inertia, C is the velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second, H is the Planck's constant, and which will be equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 27x, and the value of 2B will be equal to 12.8 centimeter. Therefore B will be equal to 6.4 centimeter. You substitute in the equation, we will get I. The I value will be equal to 4.36 into 10 to the power minus 40 gram centimeter square. Choose the correct moment of inertia for H2O molecule. You know that H2O molecule is an example of asymmetric top molecule. For that all the moment of inertia are not equal. Therefore the option B, Ix is not equal to Iy is not equal to Iz is the correct answer. The rotational transition with delta J equal to minus 1 gives B branch. Option B is the relation between moment of inertia and bond length. A simple equation, A equal to R square I mu, B equal to I equal to mu R square, and C 1 by mu power half is equal to R. This is the correct option. C is correct. Question number 10. The first line in the rotational spectrum of CO is observed at 3.84 centimeter. The rotational constant is, if we consider the first line, that value, the frequency 2B will be equal to 3.84. Therefore B will be equal to 1.92 centimeter. 3.84 divided by 2, it gives the value of rotational constant. Therefore the option C is correct.